Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi and welcome to my training room. I am really glad that you guys are enjoying my videos. This is English language video and it will also help for people who understand English and Urdu as well, or wherever in the world, because I was getting so many messages that I need to do some videos in English language. So this is the continuation of it. If you haven't seen all my English language videos, go and join my playlist of English language videos. So today's video is very important, and you can see, if you can come on this side please, you can see there are 5 reds underneath this pink, and I have a challenge sort of thing for you guys, for all my followers, like I'm doing WhatsApp challenge. So this is also going to be part of that WhatsApp challenge in my local WhatsApp group, the link in description. And for the people who are beginning, or for the people who are trying to improve their potting practice, this is also part of that practice. So the catch in this practice is that you have to pot all the pins in the middle pockets. Try to pot it. If you have no option, then you can go on this side or that side and try to pot balls in different pockets, but it'd be good for you to give yourself a target to pot these balls in different pockets, in middle pockets. And before I start it, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, share all my videos. If you want to visit me, if you want to invite me to your club, to your city, to your country, please contact me. I do travel according to my schedule. And if you have personal questions, you can WhatsApp me on the numbers given, or if you want to join my online academy, the numbers are there. So there are so many options to contact me. I always reply all the question answers, whatever I receive. And let's start with this practice. It is very difficult for very beginner players. If you are a very beginner or basic player, then you can start with 3 reds, then you can go with another 2 reds, or maybe with 2 reds or 1 red, or depends on your skills or what sort of challenge you can handle or you feel that you can handle. If you are unable to do this practice, then what you need to do is to go and check your basics and contact me, and we'll work on basics videos as well according to your questions. So first shot is here now. What I'm gonna do is play soft screw shot, and I want to keep my white below this cue point. If you can come on this side please, this side on the cue tip, okay? Because this is our potting line of aim of the pin. If my ball, I want to keep it here because so I can stun my white to come on this, on the other red. This is the most hardest red in this practice. So it's a good idea you remove your hard shots first. It will ease your practice a bit. So let me try a couple of shots, then you guys can do it full. Short is any other color, or even a red ball, doesn't matter. So decent shot, keeping my white below line of aim again. Soft screw. Okay. Place any color again. So short. So now you can see, if you can come here, that my white is again below line of aim. So I can slightly stun screw this ball below center somewhere here between -1 and -2. I'll keep my white ball in a very good position of red ball. So send me this video, play this shot, try to complete this challenge, and I would like to share this video on my channel, and I would like to see that how much people are trying to improve their game and how much people are actually improving their game. If you are still having problem, do let me know, and if you have any questions, let me know. Also, again, share this video with your friends and let people know about the playlist, English language playlist on my channel. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.